Upgrading pool equipment during new home construction can cut operating costs and extend system life. When planning a variable speed pool pump and a more efficient heater, size the pump to match plumbing and circulation needs rather than relying on nameplate horsepower. Select a variable speed pump with a permanent magnet motor if possible because it runs efficiently across a wide range of flow rates and lets you program low flow for filtration and higher flow for cleaning. For heating, choose between a solar thermal system and an electric heat pump based on local climate and energy costs. Solar requires roof or ground collectors and good orientation, but has minimal running costs, while a heat pump performs best in moderate to warm air temperatures and uses electricity far more efficiently than resistive heaters. Integrate an automated controller that schedules pump speeds, heater set points, and freeze protection to avoid wasted runtime and to coordinate solar or heat pump priority. Use a properly sized pool cover to reduce evaporation and heat loss, which lowers heating load and chemical usage. Choose a thermal cover for maximum benefit and ensure it fits the pool contours to prevent gaps. During construction, plan for accessible equipment placement, isolation valves, and sufficient electrical capacity and conduit so future servicing, upgrades, or inspections are straightforward. Homeowners often undersize or oversize pumps, which wastes energy or reduces turnover. Verify hydraulic calculations and consult manufacturer flow curves to match pump curves to your system. Another common issue is poor integration between controls and heating systems, leading to simultaneous operation and inefficiency. Avoid this by programming priority logic in the controller, so solar or heat pump runs first and the auxiliary heater only engages when needed. Skipping seasonal maintenance and water chemistry tuning causes scale, corrosion, and reduced heat transfer. Establish a routine for filter cleaning, pressure checks, and balanced water that you can follow or schedule with a professional. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors familiar with efficient pool pumps, heat pumps, and solar pool heating installations, and it connects contractors with work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world tips, project photos, and troubleshooting advice.